Hello students. Last day we have discussed on basic concepts of Java for class 9 in computer application. Okay. So first of all, let us recap something that we have studied earlier. Actually, we knew that what is a Java programming language, and after that we knew what is language, what is program, what is programming, what is programmer, who is programmer. After that, what do you mean by a compiler and what do you mean by interpreter? Again, we knew that Java has compiler and interpreter both. This is the programming language which has compiler and interpreter both. Okay. Then we knew that the name of compiler of Java is Java C, and it is located in C drive, local drive C, and inside it program files, then JDK and then bin. After that we knew that the interpreter of Java is JVM. Its full form is Java Virtual Machine, and the file extension of Java source file is .java. Okay. After that we knew that what is the Java compilation process, in which we knew different terms used in Java compilation process, that was source code, bytecode and native code. All these definitions have been already discussed. After that we have written the first Java program, that was started with class CL, public static void main, string AR, and then we have written a syntax system.out.println Madonna English School to print this Madonna English School on the output screen. And after that we got the explanation of different terms and symbols used in the program. Now today we'll know that how to start writing the Java first program, then how to compile, and then how to run, means how to get the output. So first of all we should know what are the prerequisites to run Java program. So you know that to run Java program we need two softwares in our computer. The first software is JDK. That must be installed in your computer. And you will ask that what is JDK? So actually JDK, its full form is Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment which is used to develop Java application. This JDK was developed by Sun Microsystem. Later on it was occupied by Oracle Corporation. Now it's a part of Oracle. After that, later on in higher classes you will know that what is Oracle and what is Sun Microsystem. Actually these two are the topmost software development companies in the world, situated in USA, means America. So now come to the point. Actually this JDK is a Java development kit. So it provides Java to the computer, and after installing JDK you must have BlueJ in the computer. BlueJ must be in the computer, that must be installed. So what you have to do, first of all install JDK, not first BlueJ, first install JDK in the computer, and after installing JDK you have to install BlueJ. These two are free available on the internet. You will type free download JDK. You will get the link and download it and install it. Then again in Google you type free download BlueJ. You can download it freely, no cost. It does not need any cost. It's a free software. After installing JDK and BlueJ in your computer, next what you have to do? Be careful after the next. On the desktop of your computer, you will find this type of icon. You will find this type of icon, penguin icon, on your desktop. So what you have to do is step 1. In step 1, this is BlueJ icon that you will find in your system on the desktop after installation. So what you have to do, double click this icon to open BlueJ. What you have to do, on the desktop you will double click this icon. When you will double click this icon, you will get the next screen like this. On this screen, you have to first click on project menu. As you will click on project menu, you will get a pop-up. You will get some options. In this option, you have to first click on new project option. As you will click on new project option, you will get the next window like this. In this window, a dialog box opens in which you have to give the project name. Here in this project I have given the name my project. You can give any name without any space. Remember, name should be given without any space. No space or symbol should be used. It's very important point that no space or symbol should be used while giving the name of project. And after giving the name, you have to click on create button. Here is the create button. You will click on it. After that, the new window that will appear in front of you will be like this. In this window, you have to click on new class. Here is new class. Click on this new class button. As you will click on this button, you will get this next window. A new window will appear. This is a dialog box. In this dialog box, at this section, you have to give the class name that I told you in the first program, class CL. And in the explanation, I told you that class is the predefined word that should be that will remain as it is, but CL can be given from your side, and you can use anything instead of CL, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, whatever you want. That CL should be used. That CL should be used at this place. At this place. Okay, you can give any name, but remember again, without any space and without using any symbol. And the options that are given below this CL should not be changed. That will first class. Then you have to click on OK button. Here is OK button. It is step 7. Click OK button. As you will click on OK button, you will get the next screen like this. Here you will find your class CL that you have created. This is the class CL. What you have to do right now, this time you will double click on this CL. Double click on this CL. Remember, these two are the different things. This is a text file and this orange color file is your class CL. You will double click on it or press enter button. Now the next screen that will appear in front of you will be like this. Here are different syntaxes used in the predefined program generated by BlueJ. So look, the text that is written below this screen is, this is the window in which you have to write the program. Here you will find some syntaxes already written here. So first you need to remove all these things. Nothing should be left. So what you have to do for that, first of all, here Control A to select all the text from the keyboard. From your keyboard, first you will press Control, then plus A. All the text will be selected. Then press delete button from your keyboard. All the text will be deleted and the screen will look like this. So whenever BlueJ will open, it will look like this. Here you have to write new, click on project, then new project. Then new project, it will look like this. Okay. Now here you have to click on new class, give the class name CL. It will look like this. Here is CL, double click on it. A new window will appear. A new window will appear. Like this. Just wait a moment. I am changing the screen. CL. Okay. The screen will look like this. Okay now control A and delete. Everything will be deleted. Now write the program class CL. Just I am changing the options. Class CL, curly bracket, public static void main string AR. Okay, what you are looking, everything is in small except this string. This string is in capital and rest are in small. Always remember everything should be in small. From class CL to public static void main string AR, everything should be in small except the S of string. Now opening curly bracket. Now right here you have to print, so write system.out.println, println, what you have written, Madonna English School. Okay, closing curly bracket. Everything is closed. Now what you have to do here, no, be careful. On the top here you will find compile button. You have to first click on compile button. Just wait a moment. Yeah, here you will find compile button. Compile it. Here will be written file saved, and then after a few seconds you will get that no syntax error. Class compiled, no syntax errors. Okay now, here is written on the bottom of the screen, it is written class compiled, no syntax errors. So if there is no error in the program, you will find that there is no syntax error. Suppose I am making here a string S is small. Now start compilation. Compile, you will get cannot find symbol class string. Why this error occurs? Because S of string must be in capital. Now do the capital S. Now again compile. Each time you make changes in the program, you have to compile the program. Again you get class compiled, no syntax errors. Once again I am changing here S of the system in small and compile. Here is error, package system does not exist, because in Java it has been defined that system must be in capital. Whenever you write system, it must be in capital. So again, you after changing class compiled, no syntax errors. Okay. Now, when the program is successfully compiled, again, I am making one more change. In the last, I have given the terminator. Now, what happens if I will remove this terminator, remove the terminator and compile the program? What you are looking here, the error is semicolon means terminator expected, means at the end of syntax, you must have to give the terminator. Okay, in this way, suppose I am removing this closing bracket, what will happen? Compile, again compile the program, you will get the error reached end of file while parsing. It means end of file is not completed. So in this way you can generate different types of error, and when everything is fine you will get no syntax error. Again compile. You have to compile the program till you do not get no syntax error at the time of compilation. As the program is successfully compiled, now here in the last, in the same row, you will find a close button. So close this window. As you will close this window, you will come to this section. You will come to this section where you have started your program. Now here is class CL, and in class CL you have to click on void main. Whatever is a small dialog box appears in front of you, click on OK button and you will get your output like this. Here is output screen. This is output screen. On the top you will find that this is output screen terminal window. This is BlueJ terminal window. Okay, where the output is written Madonna English School. This is written Madonna English School. This is your output screen. So this is the complete compilation process, started with the initial of the program till the output. So what you have to do at your home, first of all, what will you do? At your home, you have to first download JDK from the Google, again download BlueJ from the Google, install both the applications in your system. On the desktop you will find BlueJ icon, that I have already let you know that what is BlueJ icon. Once again I am trying to show. I am trying to show you BlueJ icon. Just wait a second. Yes. This is BlueJ icon. So on this icon you have to double click, and after that I have shown the process in the video. You will go through this, and the same program must be written at least 4 to 5 times. All the process must be repeated at least 4 to 5 times to get the proper concept that how the Java program is compiled, how the Java program is executed, and how do we get the output. Okay, whenever if you don't do at least 4 to 5 times all these processes, you will be unable to find whatever exactly is going here. Okay, so I hope all of you will get everything, and in the next video we will see some more programs on BlueJ. Simple programs, very simple programs. What do you need at the initial stage? Okay, thank you, and I hope all of you are enjoying this video of computer application, and I think all of you will be subscribing this channel so that whenever I will upload the video you will get the intimation. Thank you.